No time for the gong. You know it's trouble when there's no time for the gong. Welcome, my lovelies, to a minor delight. I've found the Stirling, and we're going to have a very, very brief update just to get us back on track. So here we go. The return of the Stirling. I think in one of the earlier films I mentioned in passing, oh look, there's the Stirling. It was in a box inside another box, all ready for the big move, and hadn't been marked up properly, and so it'd gone for a very long time. Subsequently, some damage has occurred. That's moving house for you. That's not too bad, that's easily sorted. And its weathering, I can see, is barely at stage 1. So there is painting work to do before any more pieces can go on. So let's get on with that. Right, there's the first level of Reincarnation. Very, very blotchy paint surface, intentionally so, and then gradually kind of pull it back, but not too much. I am liking a lot of it. The dark edge and slightly, very slightly highlighted here across the top surface. Same over there. Slightly grim edge. I'll bring some of the blue back on the roundels, but not a lot. And the same over there. And I think I've used 4 different greens now, so the tail is a little bit stronger than the wings and things like that, just to give it a sense of depth. Then I've got to get that bit of the tail on, but it's coming along. I'm liking this more than I like a lot of camouflage painting I've done. It's a little bit heavy, a little bit thicker. Not thick, actually, it's many layers of thin, but you know, intense perhaps is the word, and splotchy. So we may be going down that field in the near future. Depends what else is to come. I wonder how that'll work on tanks. Well, that's the ball rolling on this one again, so I better go and do some more of it, and I'll drop another film of something else in while I get on. See you soon. Thanks for watching.